What's going on, YouTube, my family, and my friends? A lot of people, they're like, I guess they don't know how to find me at times. They're like, how do you, they're asking questions. This is my Facebook page. You can go to facebook.com/Xcellent Dreamz. That's Xcellent Dreamz with a Z, 5102, and I'll pop right up. You'll be able to see most of my work, You'll be able to, this is my personal page, so you'll be able to get personal with me, If you like to place an order or whatnot, you can definitely hit me up on Facebook, jump in my inbox, and we can definitely get started. But a lot of people have been asking me, like, hey, bro, how do you create the Rhinestone templates? And let me show you. Let me show y'all. You know what I mean? So, we'll use Google as an example. And let's go like Mario. And this is only for tutorial purposes. I'm not suggesting this is what you do. But let's grab a great image of Mario. Let's start with Mario. So, type in Mario Brothers. And to make it easier for beginners, let's type in vector behind that. Because you want a vector item. Ooh, excuse me. So this one is definitely slick, But let's go easier. Let's just choose this guy right here. Mario. So I'll save that image. Of course, I'll save it as something I can find. Type in Mario. All right. We close that down. We no longer need Google for right now. Open up where you saved that item at, which I saved mine in my Xcellent Dreamz folder. Boom. And what you can do is just drag it right on in. Boom. I like this one too. We'll drag that one in too. Boom. Alright. Now once you have it in your program, let's open it up. Well, I said open it up. Let's make it bigger so we can see it. Right click on it and we need to outline trace Clipart. Once you change the picture, the JPEG image to a Clipart, now it's basically vectorized. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Let's click on the picture, right click, and ungroup all objects. Alright? So now that we have all the objects ungrouped, if I click on this, which looks like it's a white area, white space right here, if I click on that, I can change that color. See, there was a box right there. For what we're working on, we no longer need the box. Let's get rid of it. Click on it and delete. Now, also, everywhere you see white, 9 times out of 10, there's an object right there. So, let's change that color to that. Change that to that same color. Change that to that same color. Right? Cool beans. This is gloves right here. We'll just change them to green farmer gloves for right now. And over here, we'll do the same with this. But we have to select the white, hold down shift, select the other areas of the glove, hold down shift to the green, and weld it together. Excuse me. Alright, I am a smoker, ladies and gentlemen, so it's not the Rona. Alright, so I just grabbed all of that white in his eyes and welded that together. As you can see, I just changed it to that pink color. And actually, since his teeth is white as well, I weld that. And you can see that it's all welded together because I can change the color of it. Alright. Remember, folks, save your work. So let's go to save. Mario Bros tutorial. Save it. Alright. Now, for the most part, what we can do is, if you're working with vinyl, you'll see that, let's change his gloves back white. Really, if we're putting this on a white shirt, as a matter of fact, let's get this little area right here, since all of that will remain white. Boom. Since we're putting this on a shirt, if this were to go on, let's show you, a white shirt, boom, like so, and we were not using stones at all, that white area, this area right here can show through with no problem at all, like so. Or you can weld it together, you know, and change the color of that background all at once. Right? Let's leave it with the blue background, like so. Now with this red, let's weld all of the red together, so when you change the red, all of the red changes to yellow. You know what I mean? You see that? Change it back to red. Okay, cool. So, but since we would like rhinestones on this design, let's size it up for a shirt. 10.6 inches in width is not bad. Let's go 11.4 though. Let's make it kind of bigger on the shirt. Let's take that object, this object, and this object, and weld them together. Let's change them to that blue. Now you see that they're blue. We'll go into our magic TRW Design Wizard 5.0 Pro. Go to place and fill. And let's change the color of the stone to yellow. Click back on the blue. We have islands right here in the place and fill tab. We're going to mess with this area right here. So we want the stones inside of the blue. We want to add stones. We're going to leave the island at 1. Leave the spacing as it is. Leave the fill line spacing as it is. As a matter of fact, that actually supposed to be on 14. I was doing something else, and I changed it to give myself a little more space. Let me save that. The contour spacing 0.075 is always good to get right inside of the object. So let's do a hatch fill. I love these hatch fills because they pretty much fill in all of the areas. As you can see when I zoom in here, they're filled in. They have this little line going through them though. So that line is not good. That's a cut line. Or the line, yeah, pretty much a cut line. So, to get rid of that line without deselecting any of the objects, the circles, the stones, hold down shift and click on this clear the path from the selected objects. Once you do that, all the lines are gone. And then hit the merge overlapping stones.